Hi guys, welcome back. Today in this video we will be discussing about CSAT paper, which is a general paper, GS paper 2 of civil service examination conducted by UPSC as well as APSC. So here today we will discuss about the syllabus of this paper and how to approach. So let me first give you a brief idea about CSAT paper. CSAT paper is have 80 questions, which each has 2.5 marks and total marks is 200. So 200 marks, out of 200 marks you need to just only get 33% marks, as it is only qualifying paper. It doesn't count into your merit list and it doesn't impact your overall ranking in your final result. It is just there, or it doesn't have any cutoff mark also. You just need to simply pass it by securing 33% of marks, which is 66 which will be 66 marks. So that is why you need to approach it very in a clever way. You don't have to appear all the questions about all the questions in CSAT paper. You just need to appear around 50 questions out of 80 questions. If you are able to appear, if you are able to attempt around I think more than 30 questions, then also if it is true, if it is all the correct, if you have attempted all correct, then you will be able to clear it the paper very easily. So without wasting a time, let's jump into the syllabus of this paper. So what is the syllabus of this paper? So if you observe the syllabus of this paper, it is very general in the sense like English comprehension, interpersonal skills, general mental ability, basic numeracy, which is only class 10 level, data interpretation, charts, graphs, tables, data sufficiency, which is about class 10 level. Then why so many aspirants found it difficult? And this year only many aspirants who got very good marks in GS paper 1, but since not able to get 66 marks in this paper, they were not able to clear their prelims examination. So why that level of failure in this so easy according to this syllabus, so easy paper? So the main reason behind failure, I believe that it is a lack of practice of this paper and taking it very lightly, irrespective of education background. I mean, be it science, be it science background, be it arts background, if you are not practicing this paper, you will not able to clear it. And I think many of you already got get your result this time, and I can guarantee that many students, just only because of this paper, they are not able to clear the prelims examination. So now the question is how to study it, how to approach it. So I also appeared this year mains APSC examination. So I cleared it very in a good way, this CSAT paper. So I have attempted nearly only 54 questions, out of which I have attempted around 30 questions from quant and that mathematics, numerical ability, and around 14 questions, around 24 questions. It is a mix of English and general comprehension and your general mental ability and logical reasoning. So around this was my strategy, and out of 30 questions, all the quants are correct, and I got correct 50 total and incorrect 4, and among these 4 my incorrect was in logical reasoning. So if you see, I have given more concentration in quant aptitude. Why so? Because if you are able to find out the answer of mathematics or numerical questions, you are guaranteed that the marks will be awarded. But in English, what happened? If you might not be able to comprehend the way examiner is able to comprehend, because since we many of our students studied in SMS medium, in Bodo medium, and in different mediums, so it is very hard for us, very tough for us to comprehend the English in a very good way, or the examiner can want us to comprehend. So I'm not saying that it is very tough, it is very kind of tough paper, tough English, but what I'm trying to say is strategize it. I mean, you don't need to attempt all the questions. If you are weak in English, I know you can speak English, you can convey your message in English, but you might not be able to comprehend the way the examiner has been written or set the question paper. So you don't have to do it, you don't have to tackle it in that delay. You have to just pass the exam. Strategy must be to pass the exam. So for that, I want all of you to concentrate more in numerical ability, because it is very easy paper as compared to other numerical papers in other examinations. So I will here only break the part of numerical ability part, because I personally concentrated, I have personally done numerical aptitude, and I cleared the exam in a very good way. So let's try to break down the numerical aptitude syllabus. So here, if you observe that syllabus, it is very simple. It is given basic numeracy, it is given basic numeracy class 10 level. So here it is not very clear, it is very general. So let us try to break it down. Here sorry, I forgot to add time and work. It is very important topic. So apart from this mentioned topics, you need to also study about time and work. So here see very basic concepts: average, ratio, proportion, profit loss, and algebra. Complex number is not in the syllabus, sorry. Number system, and it is not in syllabus. Okay, and quadratic and linear equations, probability, set theory and functions, compound interest, simple interest, and this time and work. So speed, time and distance. So you don't have to study everything from part by part, or if you are weak in some topic, then leave it. This is just a normal numerical aptitude syllabus. It is present in every examination. You have to face it if you want to appear for any kind of competitive examination. So here I personally think that you have to concentrate more on time and work, average, speed, time and distance, ratio, proportion and variation, compound interest, simple interest, number system, set theory and function. Leave the part this leave complex number, geometry, quadratic equation. You can leave that part. Algebra you need to study. Why? Because these topics are very common. It is common everywhere, and it is very easy also. So now how to start it? So I won't refer here any kind of resources. Why? Because there are many standard resources available. You will get any platform, be it offline, be it online, you will get everywhere any kind of good resources. But what the point is, whatever resource you take, you need to concentrate on your concept building. First you have to build your concept thoroughly. What I mean by concept building, suppose you are studying about average, you need to start it from basic. You need to study it from very basic, and you need to build a concept. After that only you have to jump in the practice, solving the sum. Why so? Because without knowing any concept, if you're trying to solve the sums, then you will be frustrated, and it is very true with every aspirant. So that is why you have to first study thoroughly, build a concept, and then only you practice it. And once you complete all the syllabus, all the required concept of these small topics, just after that you just need to practice it, and at least you have to give 1 hour daily to practice all these topics related to numerical aptitude. I'm very much sure that if you practice 1 hour daily continuously, then you will be able to clear CSAT paper of APSC or be it UPSC very easily. Because I personally believe that don't depend on English, because if you are very good at English, then it is different topic. But since I am also a little bit weak in comprehending English, and also that is why I personally trust numerical aptitude, because it will award you whatever you have written or whatever you have solved. So that was my strategy, because you don't have to study, you don't have to attempt every 80 questions. Why are you bother about that? Doesn't even necessary, because you need to just only get 66 marks. You just only need to get 66 marks out of 200. So why to bother by trying to attempt each and every questions? So that was my strategy. And by doing that, by limiting my resources, and one very important announcement is here, that only stick to the one resource. Try to stick limited resources, buy or follow any kind of standard book, and just follow it throughout your preparation. Don't change, don't jump in here and there, and because it will break your concentration, it will break your focus, it will break whatever you have learned. So don't depend on multiple resources, just stick to the one resource. I if you ask me, I only, as I belong to science background, so it was easy for me. I haven't studied any basic concept from the starting. I just jumped in directly practice, because I have already the concept, a small concept. But yes, sometimes I also forget. But for that, if you ask me, then I only followed that YouTube channels. There are many free resources in YouTube channels. So pick any teacher you like and just go on. And that's how I prepare for my CSAT paper. I just give 1 hour every day. Don't take it very lightly, be it any science background or engineering or arts background, and please don't take it lightly, and practice it daily for 1 hour. And one disclaimer I would like to put here for art student, because they are very worried about this CSAT paper. They are only all the time crying that okay, this is this is giving leverage to engineering student, science student. No, don't think in that way. Because why I'm saying so, numerical ability or quant aptitude is such a thing which cannot be done in one day. Be it engineer, be it science background, be it mathematician, maths graduation, he cannot do directly sit in one day and solve all the papers in the stipulated time, because it's a competitive exam and you need to solve all the sums in a stipulated time, in a given time. So don't worry about comparing yourself that I'm an art student and he is or she is from science background. Just stick to your plan, concentrate on your study, and start solving from today. So this is my message for for numerical aptitude. And for English comprehension, so I just only attempted 12 or around 10 questions from English comprehension. So if you ask me about English comprehension, I did nothing extra. I just simply followed the Hindu for my newspaper, also for my as a current affairs as well. So that is why I have a habit of reading the Hindu paper, which gives me very leverage in understanding, comprehending the kind of questions asked in the UPSC or APSC CCE paper. So for English, I won't suggest any kind of different resources. Just simply stick to the newspaper, the Hindu. I personally suggest the Hindu, because it is very helpful in preparing. So, and if you can follow the Indian Express and other newspaper as well, but the Hindu is, in my opinion, is good for English and to learn English. So this is the discussion about CSAT paper. So I hope you guys got what you wanted to know about CSAT paper. Don't bother about what others are saying or what in different materials you got. Just simply focus on what you have in your hand, and do please smart study. Don't jump here and there. Smart study is the only way to crack this examination. And with this, I will end today, and I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much.